Hello and welcome to my review of 30-Minute Money Method. My name is Alenka and welcome to my channel where I do money-making online product reviews and hopefully help you start your affiliate marketing business online. Now, before I dive into this review, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and to give me a like if you enjoy this video, and also leave a comment if you've had any experience with this product, or if you'd like to start your own business and if you need any advice. Now, let's see, what is 30-Minute Money Method? It is a ClickBank product that promises they'll make you $500 in 30 minutes. We're not exactly told what this product does in the sales video. But we are told the story by its owner, Shelley, that she used to be broke, in financial troubles, and then she devised this product, and now she's financially stable and everything is fine and lovely. Now, first of all, I think Shelley is just a made-up character. She's just a fictitious owner. There isn't a person called Shelley in association with this product. I've checked on Google. What these products on ClickBank often do is they make up these stories and they make up the names. They're just pen names they say they're owners, and they're not. So this is a big red flag for me. If you're an owner of a successful product, why would you hide behind a pen name? So I really don't like that. So is this even possible, that you'll be making $500 in 30 minutes? Well, it isn't, of course, because online business is just like any other business. You need to work at it, and only then you might hope to earn some money. Now, what's the 30-Minute Money Method training like? It is basically non-existent. You get 4 PDFs on making money by voiceovers, making money with stock photography, making money playing games, and by playing games, and making money by freelancing. Now, these are all 4 legitimate ways of making money online, definitely. But will you be able to do any of even one of these methods by reading one poorly executed PDF? I don't think so. And anyway, if you're trying to make money online, you need to concentrate on one thing, on one niche. And voiceovers would be one niche, stock photography would be another niche, playing games, video games, would be another niche altogether. And also, if you want to be a freelancer, then you will want to concentrate on that and on that only. And if you're trying to be all 4 things, you simply won't have the time to do all 4. They never mention that in their supposed training. All the information in the PDFs that you get is quite generic. You can get it online for free. You don't need to pay for it. And their claims that you can get like $600,000 per year doing this is just ludicrous. Yes, you can earn $600,000 per year in any online business, but you need to work for it, and you will not earn it by working 30 minutes per day. That is for sure. So if you're really looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, I would like to tell you that this is possible, but it is not possible. I work online, and I work quite a few hours. I don't want to paint a bleak picture, because it's great. I love working from home. I love being here for my children, and I love working whenever I like to work rather than when someone tells me. But I still do have to work. So 30 minutes per day is just it's just not feasible. So there are loads of upsells, downsells. This product is just full of ways for you to part with your money, and more importantly maybe to part with your personal details. because as they say in the small print, your personal details will be shared with third-party companies. What does this mean? Is a 30-minute money method is a vehicle for collecting emails. So they compile these big email lists, which get sold on to the third-party companies. So this is how they make their money. Can you get a refund? Yes, you can get a refund if you bought it by ClickBank. So that's quite straightforward. So if you've already bought it, please ask for your money back. Is 30 minutes money methods a scam? Well, you can get your money back, and you do get these 4 PDFs. So I legally cannot call it a scam, but it is as near as good as. You will never make the money they claim that you'll make. So what could you do instead? If you'd like to make money online, if you're really serious about that, I suggest you start with some training, and you start with some training in affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing? Because it is a very newbie-friendly online business. It is an amazing online business model where you don't need to invest lots of money. You can start today and start for free, and I'll tell you in a minute how. You can also, you don't need to worry about having your own product. You don't need to worry about customer service, about shipping costs, about inventory. You can definitely just have your website and promote third-party products or services that you've enjoyed using yourself, or that you know that your audience might benefit from, and that is it. So if you'd like to maybe find the training for affiliate marketing, I have a platform to suggest where I'm learning all about affiliate marketing, where I've been a member for 13 months now. I've really enjoyed every single day being on that platform because I've learned so much. I've started as a complete beginner. I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing, about online marketing. I didn't have any technical skills. But I needed to work from home. I have 2 small children, so I needed to stay with them at home. And affiliate marketing and working online has afforded me that. So I'm now earning online, and I'm very happy about that. So I'd like to inspire you and to help you do the same. You can join today for free. You get a 1-week free starter account and full access to the platform. You only need your email to sign up. You will get 10 free lessons. So by the end of these 10 lessons, you will have your business set up so you can start creating your content and earn money. Now you get also 2 free websites. And even though I'm saying all about this, all the free stuff, I'd like to say that sometime down the line, you will need to invest a bit of money in your own education and your business. So there is a premium membership that you can join later on that costs less than $1 per day. Really amazing value for money. So and if you join today, I'll be able to offer you some bonuses once you're there, and I'll be your coach. So whatever you need to find out about the platform, or if you have any doubts about how to set up your website or how to choose a niche, I'll be there to help you, along with about 800,000 members who are already successful affiliate marketers who'll be there and glad to help you. So take action, and hope to see you there. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like, and thank you for your time again, and see you soon. Bye.